Are you looking for a photography, videography, e-commerce, or any type of creative agency website? Or an agency, portfolio, blogging or dark variant website for your photography studio? Introducing Photographer Ecommerce TNC, the best Webflow photography template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of Photographer Ecommerce TNC. Now, let's see how to use Photographer Ecommerce TNC. So, if you are looking for the best photography template, get Photographer TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.